Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a batch of vegan Biscoff brownies. So let's begin. To start on the brownies, you'll want to get yourself a mixing bowl and into there place your melted vegan spread. You will then want to add in your cocoa powder and give it all a good mix until it's fully incorporated. The mixture should be smooth and glossy once fully incorporated. Once it's fully incorporated, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then add in the sugar and whisk it in until it's fully incorporated. It will change the consistency and make it more grainy, but don't worry, this will change as you add the rest of the ingredients. You can then go ahead and add in the vegan yogurt. I'm using a vanilla flavoured one, but feel free to use whatever you can get. Just whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. It will change the colour and consistency. This is completely normal. Now you can go ahead and add in the plain flour and just fold it in until it's fully incorporated. Being careful not to over mix, as this will make the gluten form and make the brownies tougher in texture. Once you've got your brownie batter, you'll want to transfer it into a pan that has been lined. I'm using an 8x8 squared. Just spread it out into the corners and get it as level as possible. It is a little bit thicker than my traditional brownie, but that's fine. You can then go ahead and warm up some Biscoff spread, which is also vegan, and then just swirl it around in the brownie batter until you've got enough swirls and enough coverage. You may need to add more, but don't add it all in one go. Then on top of the brownies, you'll want to also add some Biscoff biscuits, and I add 8, and that gives me 8 portions, but feel free to add as many as you need. Here are what the brownies look like once they're fully baked and I've allowed them to cool. You can then start to slice them up. Again, I'm getting 8 portions from this, and that's how many I want, but feel free to cut them in half again so you get 16 bite-sized portions. You may just want to place the biscuits differently. So these brownies don't turn out very cakey, which is perfect, as I don't like a cakey brownie. As you can tell, it's pretty dense and moist, which is perfect for a brownie. So give these a try, I really recommend it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links, as there'll be a link to the recipe and all my social medias down below, so don't forget to go and check those out. And until next time, bye guys.